Now let's just quickly revise what we studied. We studied that pathology is a branch of medical science. Okay, it is a specialty of medical science which deals with study of the diseases. Okay, their cause, that is called as the etiology, their stepwise changes, both mechanical and chemical changes, that is collectively called as, very good, pathogenesis. Okay, fine. And apart from that, the management. Okay, and prognosis. Management is how to cure the disease. Okay, how to cure the disease, that is called as the management. It can be attained through both the means, pharmacological and non-pharmacological. In the pharmacological management, we are using the chemical compound, that is called as the drugs, and in the surgeries we are removing the parts, cutting the undesired parts, okay, the defective part. Mostly the surgeries are performed in the cancer. The first line of treatment, okay, first line of treatment in the cancer is the surgery. Okay, now then we also understand some of the other, you can say, the key terms. We understand that the pathogenicity is a property of a microorganism. Okay, it's the capacity of a microorganism to cause a disease. Okay, so it is a disease causing capacity or capability. Then we understand that whenever any disease occur, okay, whenever any disease occur, it will show certain manifestation, okay, which is not a natural manifestation, okay, which is not a natural manifestation, fine. And that is termed as a sign and symptoms. So sign is something which is observed by a physician, fine, and symptoms are experienced by a patient person, and these symptoms are expressible. These symptoms are expressible. Got it? No problem. Now let's move ahead. Okay, let's move ahead and discuss about the historical aspect of the pathology. So before going in detail of understanding the, you can say, the history of the pathology, I'm just keep in your mind that the father of pathology, okay, who is known as the father of pathology? Yeah, it's called Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow, who did a very, you can say, the amazing experiment in the field of cytology. Okay, cytology is basically a study of the cell. Okay, it's a branch which specifically deals with studying the cell structure, morphology, their genetics. Fine, that is called as the cytology, and the name of the scientist is the Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow or Virchow. Okay, no problem. Now let's move ahead and discuss about the historical aspect of pathology.